What is going on, everybody? Now let's be real. Creating content, especially when it comes to video, can be a huge headache. There are a lot of different moving parts, all the way from finding an actor to actually shipping a product to them to later editing the video. There's a lot. And honestly, in this day and age, there should be a better way. Now, come on now. I know why you're watching this video. You're trying to find a more efficient way of actually creating those videos so you don't have to sit hours at a time making them. And that's why in this guide, we're going to walk you guys through on how to utilize Arcast.ai for you guys' video advertisements. And that way, you don't have to sit hours in front of a computer editing and let the AI do all the heavy lifting for you. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, before we get into the weeds here, if you guys do want to try out the platform for yourself, there is going to be a link down below in the description. I am going to be sharing my screen here. So if you guys do want to try out the platform, feel free to check out the link down below. There is not a free trial, but hopefully this video will show you guys if the platform is worth you guys' time and money or not. Now, once you guys have clicked the link, go ahead and click on this little button here where it says login or sign up. From here, all you need to do is just make an account. So go ahead and input the email you guys want to use. And these are going to be the plans that are going to be presented towards you guys. So there's going to be starter, creator, or the custom plan. And pretty much all the differences are going to be within how many videos you guys are actually getting. So you can have the system make 10 videos for you guys, 20, or there's going to be a custom amount. Everything else like the AI actors, languages, 2 minutes of wait time, right? That's kind of all similar. Cool. Now, once we're logged in, there's going to be a couple options here. First, there's going to be a place for us to upload our logo. And then there's going to be a place where we can actually put our product name. So for example, let's say we're going to be selling backpacks, right? So there's going to be backpacks OG too cool for school. That's going to be the name of our product. Alrighty. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and discover our actors. You can go ahead and press discover. And these are going to be the folks that we can go ahead and use. So there's Helen, Lauren, Harlan, Victoria, right? Robert. There's going to be a lot of different people that we can go ahead and choose from. Now, as you guys are choosing, I would really think about what kind of brand you guys have. Like if you're selling something that's serious and medical, like I think Winston would be a good fit. However, if it's something like Gen Z or something younger, like backpacks, especially too good for school, I would use somebody that seems like they could be in school, like our boy Henry right over here. But for real, maybe like Jason, who can be in college, or whoever you think may be in school. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down here and I'm gonna select Jacob. Jacob looks like he could be a student. Alrighty, now once we have looked at all the actors that we like, let's go ahead and actually write the description behind our product. So the script that we're gonna have is gonna be super cool backpacks that are really good for school and carrying lots of books. We can go ahead and press add actors, look at our favorites, select them. Now we got our Jacob gonna be our actor here. Now I'm personally lazy, so like I don't have time to write this whole script. So let's go ahead and go to our friend ChatGPT and it's gonna write it for us. So I'm gonna go ahead and instruct it. Can you write me a script for a backpack ad that starts like this? Now it's gonna go ahead and write me a script. Can you have it have more words? Cool. So let's go ahead, throw this in here, and let's see what it comes up with. It's a little too long. I'm gonna delete this part. And if you guys want to go ahead, you can actually click on the character and then modify the speed, stability, and the similarity of the voice. Once you guys are ready to go ahead and press all good, and let's go ahead and generate that video. And boom. And as it's doing all the heavy lifting for us, we can go ahead and create more projects, organize them project by project, right? Because there can be a lot of different things involved. So let's go ahead and wait and see exactly what it came up for us. Now, as we're waiting here for the video to be done, let's go ahead and remember what exactly the main point of this whole thing is. Now, let's remember that not too long ago, even like 6 years back, every single time you were to make a video, right, you wanted to do something with your own product, you would have to ship it to a person, make sure they like it, pay them, have them film their own video, edit it. But now Arcast.ai can do the whole thing for you. So if we go to their website, we can see that all these user generated videos, all of this can be done for us. All we got to do is just to upload some of our content, and that actual person that's going to be speaking, that can be all AI generated for us. And look, I get it. It sounds pretty scary, like something out of a Terminator movie, but that's the future. But the main purpose of this is to save you guys countless hours when it comes to video production. So that way you can just plug it all in there, right? And it's going to save you time and energy when it comes to finding the actor with the edits, and you can make everything in-house by yourself. And the coolest part about all of this is if you guys don't like a specific part about this, like for example, the AI actor themselves, or the way they speak, or the speed of how they speak, right? You can always go ahead and edit that. So that way you'll have full control and you guys will gain speed like nobody else. Alrighty, now the video has been finished for us. So let's go ahead and see exactly what it came up with. Now, as you guys see with this ChatGPT script, it actually put the exact shots that I wanted to get. Now, Arcast.ai is not currently going going to do that, and instead is going to kind of like have the AI avatar say exactly what you put in there. So if I go ahead and play it, it's actually going to say exactly what it said right over here. So if you guys want more of an accurate script, I'll go ahead and delete that part and make sure that you guys' script is going to be legit. And other than that, in order to give it a custom feel, I'd also make sure that you guys upload your guys' own assets into it as well. Like for example, a picture of a backpack, and that way you can have it be on the side somewhere. So it looks very professional and personalized towards the viewer. Awesome. Now, once you guys are done, I'll go ahead and take a look at the video. And if you guys are happy with it, go ahead and download it, and you can always make your own edits to it as well. And keep in mind, this is not supposed to be the exact final product. However, this is going to speed up the process a lot, where you don't need to ship the product to 10 different people, right? And have 10 different people say the exact same thing. You can literally give them a script. They're going to say it in a very perfect way, and you can have full access to who's going to say it and how they're going to say it. And if you guys want to modify the script or how it sounds or the speed that we went through, go ahead and press remix here, press confirm, and you guys can go ahead and actually modify exactly what it's going to sound like, who's saying it, right? And from there, you can modify the speed and stuff like that. And there you have it, folks. As you guys saw, utilizing Arcats.ai is one of the fastest ways to make a very professional and slick looking video right in front of you guys. And that way, you don't need to worry about video editing, hiring fancy actors, or shipping the product directly to them. And even though it may not be the exact final product you're looking for, it's going to give you guys a huge head start. So if you guys do want to try the platform for yourself, the link for it is going to be below down in the description. And if you guys got some value out of this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously helps support the channel. Till next time, peace.